Good evening, dear tutor. My name is Leonardo de Sanchez, and I want to go over the last activity concerning creating an English class. That's why I want to start off by using a word map. So I'm going to use an audio concerning double edge question, and this is in order to grab students' attention. Then there will be an activity lasting uh, 30 minutes. So the students will have to prepare a double edge question in groups of four, and they are going to use a microblock. Uh, this is in order for them to foster visual learning, obviously to work in a collaborative way, and to use some technological tools. In the meantime, I'm going to provide them some feedback, and yeah, this is gonna last 30 minutes. Then, in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to ask them some questions related to personal routines, just like what do you like to do on weekends, or maybe why do you like to listen to Sebastian Yatra songs? Um, which singer is the best, Yatra or Maluma? Questions like that. This is in order for them to relate the information to their personal life. Maybe I'm going to put these questions on the computer on the screen, and that's all. Then I'm going to use Edmodo in order to put a recording. Uh, it's very interesting, the recording, as I'm going to use my own voice. Uh, what I want them to do is to copy what they are listening. So another thing to take into account is that they're going to use this page while they are not in class in order to listen to some audios, and I don't want them to use or to listen to native speakers, as sometimes there is a problem, and it's concerning that they are not able to understand what they say because of the speed. So I prefer to use my voice. And another positive aspect of Edmodo is that parents will keep track of the student's process. Um, next, the next activity is regarding matching the statement with with that double edge question. So there will be two columns. On the one hand, I'm going to have statements like I wake up at 6:30. So it's gonna be linking to what time or to when. Um, I'm going to work in the same way with the other statements. And finally, um, I'm going to explain what will be discussed in the next class. Um, so the students listen uh, to my explanations, and maybe they will have some homework. They will have to work by using Edmodo. I think uh, that is concerning. That is what my activity is about. So thanks for your attention. I consider that this class was so amazing. I was able to understand and to comprehend some kind of things related to how important it is for people, especially teachers, to foster this kind of knowledge. So students are going to have a good time, as technology is at the forefront of education. So one as a teacher has to take into consideration that fact in order to succeed as a teacher. So teachers, thanks for the attention and have a good night.